Cyrus Gary from CGI Technology, and I'm representing Green HVAC team. As many of you would know, heating and cooling counts for 46% of total electrical consumption in United States. This technology has been so old and never been efficient enough. Now we live in a green world, so we need to think green, and that's why I'm introducing Green HVAC. Green HVAC is thermal control of 2 delta T. Always the lower elevation contains cool energy and higher elevation contains heat energy. The delta T on this can be easily adjusted by conventional means for a desired temperature. The other delta T that we can concentrate is outside air. Outside air can be more desirable than inside temperature, and it can conventionally be bring to the envelope of a building for thermal adjustment.